If you want to earn money online or make videos, this video is the best for you. It also shows how you can easily create short 10-second videos. But first, check out this channel. It has only 22 uploaded videos, yet 336k subscribers. And look at the videos, they've got over 100 million views. With just 22 uploads, every video has amazing views, and some even have more than 1 million. This channel is monetized, and many of its shorts have millions of views. You can also create a channel like this. If you want to start a YouTube channel, make it in English because English CPM is very high, around $8 to $12, while other languages have a much lower CPM. That's why you should start an English channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create realistic AI videos for free that can be monetized easily. You can do it all by yourself without spending anything. I'll also share a special tool that lets you make 10-second long videos for free. So don't miss any part of this video, it's very important. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Let's get started. First, you need to open ChatGPT. Once it's open, just type this prompt. You can copy it directly from my YouTube description and paste it there. After that, ChatGPT will give you 30 amazing and creative ideas made just for you. You'll see how awesome and unique those ideas are. Now here's what you need to do next. Just type this. Continue your next step here. Now pick the best one out of these, the one that will leave everyone amazed. Then ChatGPT will create an amazing and powerful historical story just for you. One that's not only super interesting but also perfect for your YouTube channel. Now, here's what you need to do next. Just type this line. Now write a short story of 150 words on this. I want to make images for this, so the story should be good and look beautiful in pictures. So now, ChatGPT will create the best image prompts for this story. Prompts that are amazing, perfect for you, and will help you generate beautiful and high-quality images. Next, you did this. Now please give me 6 image prompt in detailed. So ChatGPT will create the 6 best AI images for you, which you can easily use to make a short AI video. Next, we are going to create AI images using these prompts. Leonardo.ai is a really great website for creating AI images. First, open it and set the size to select the size 9.16 at Phoenix 1.0. Then paste the prompts one by one. After a short time, the image will start generating. Keep pasting all the prompts one by one, and you'll see how amazing the images turn out. Once the images are ready, you can see how stunning they look. You can use this method on Leonardo.ai to create high-quality AI images. Finally, download the images that you like the most. Now the images are ready, and you can see how amazing and perfect they turned out. Truly the best ones for you. You can check and admire the quality. Leonardo.ai is an advanced AI platform for creating stunning digital art and graphics. It uses cutting-edge algorithms to transform ideas into highly realistic or stylized images, making it perfect for artists, designers, and creators. With features like image generation, editing, and customization, Leonardo.ai empowers users to bring imagination to life effortlessly. Its intuitive interface and fast processing make creative projects easier, faster, and more professional. Next, download the images you like the most. After this, we are going to create AI voices for them. To do that, we are going to create AI voices for our content. There's a free tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech, which is one of the best tools for generating AI voices. You can use it for free on unlimitedai.tools. You can also create free AI images there, but here we will focus on generating voices. If you can't find the tool, just comment below, and I'll give you the link. Believe me, it gives free daily credits. Once you open the AI text-to-speech generator, copy the ChatGPT prompt and paste it there. Then select any voice. There are many options, but Blaze Alex is the best one. For explanation purposes, you can choose any voice. Click Generate. Remember, you can generate up to 1,000 words at a time. If your script is longer, split it into 4 parts and generate the complete voice in sections. Now the AI voice is ready. You can listen to it.
The morning sky blazing brighter than the sun. The world vanished in fire, burned, deafened, He stumbled through ruins. The air.
Next, we will create the AI video. To create AI videos, I will use two websites that you can also use to make AI videos daily. These two websites are very reliable and easy to use. There is also a third website where you can create short videos, even just 10 seconds long if you want. The first website is digin.ai, which is an amazing and powerful platform. When you sign up, it gives you 300 credits, which is enough to make about 10 videos. After that, it gives daily credits, so you can continue making AI videos easily. Right now, I have over 40 high 400 credits on my account because it has been logged in for quite a while. This allows me to create a lot of videos since I keep getting credits daily. If you want to make a lot of AI videos, digin.ai is a great choice. Even if you don't use it every day, it will automatically give you credits daily. Just like in my account. Now we will create an AI video on this. This is a very good website. Click on Create, then go to Upload and upload the first image. After that, paste the first image's prompt and click on Generate. The video will start being created. Then upload the second image and paste its prompt in the same way. And the video will start generating again. It takes a little time, but in this way you can make two videos together. A good 10 to 15 minute video will start generating. The second website is Magic Sand AI, a great platform that gives you 500 starter credits. Enough to make short videos, even 10-second clips. Here's what to do. Open the site and log in with your Gmail. You'll see your 500 plus credits. Click New Project, then upload your image. Copy the image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. The default duration is 3 seconds. Change it to 10 seconds if you want a 10-second video. Click Generate, and the video will start creating automatically. Now we have created AI videos on both websites, and you can see how amazing they turned out. The next step is to edit the videos. For editing, I use CapCut, which is a very good software for video editing. It's easy to use, free, and packed with features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here, I import my video into CapCut and edit it. Add effects, animations, and even lyrics if needed. I also adjust the music and audio to make everything perfect. Once done, the video is ready. If you like this tutorial, leave a comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like the video. Next time, I'll show you another method. Thanks for watching.